We're the TheWildWaynes air frying some jalapeno garlic chicken jerky in our 32-foot fifth wheel because it's 22 degrees outside in Oakhurst, California. Now that's me, I'm Instant Pot Dave of the TheWildWaynes, tearing into some super tender, incredibly flavorful, absolutely delicious jalapeno garlic chicken jerky. Turns out absolutely amazing. We have a link to this recipe in this video's description. And we'll start the recipe out by chopping 1 head of garlic. And we'll take 1 yellow onion, chop the head and the tail off, and give it a medium chop. There's my camera girl getting her hands in on some garlic. We'll take 2 bunches of cilantro and give that a medium chop as well. And slice 3 to 4 large jalapenos. We'll add our chopped garlic, onion, cilantro, and sliced jalapeno to a 1-gallon Ziploc bag or large mixing bowl. We'll add some granulated garlic, granulated onion, a little bit of salt. We're using sea salt, some fresh ground black pepper, a couple of teaspoons of white wine or rice wine vinegar, and a couple of tablespoons of olive oil to help the flavor of that marinade get into that chicken. And we'll zip our bag closed and mix those ingredients well. Take a whiff of that. Whew. We'll take our chicken breasts and give them about a 1/2-inch slice against the muscle fibers for a nice tender jerky, or with the muscle fibers for more of a tough jerky. We'll add our chicken slices to our Ziploc bag of marinade and mix our chicken into that marinade very well. Push the air out of the Ziploc bag and zip it closed. We'll store our chicken and marinade in our refrigerator for 4 to 10 hours. Give your hot air fryer basket a spray with olive oil. And we'll take some paddle skewers. We'll trim them just longer in the air fryer basket with some clean hedge trimmers. And we'll skewer about 4 chicken slices spread out evenly over the skewer. Then position that skewer into the air fryer basket so it is pinched between the top of the air fryer basket. Maneuvering those chicken slices so hot air can flow around each one. Carefully load that air fryer basket into the air fryer. We'll air fry at 170 degrees for 2 hours. After those 2 hours are finished, you have an incredible tender jalapeno garlic chicken jerky that tastes great and has the right jerky feel. And it turns out perfect. And you have a whole bunch of that jerky that's pretty affordable. We have the link to this recipe in this video's description. Check it out. And thanks for watching. Well, here's the view of the river flowing from the waterfall at Yosemite National Park. And I hope you enjoy yourself some jalapeno garlic chicken jerky yourself. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.